Wednesday, 12:30 in the morning, a car into an expo line train at Colorado and Lincoln. Rescuers could be seen using the jaws of life to pull 3 people from the wreckage. In daylight, you can see there are no crossing bars here, but police say that wasn't the problem. They say the driver, 54-year-old Antonio Beltran, allegedly had too much to drink, over 3 times the legal limit. And Lieutenant Saul Rodriguez says Beltran's teens were drinking too.
Correct. There was indicators that all 3 had been drinking, including the 2 passengers being the teenage children and also the father being the driver.
If the DUI wasn't bad enough, Rodriguez says the 2 teens are 16. They're minors. They shouldn't have been drinking at all.
In my career, 23 years, I've seen some bad collisions that have occurred, but I've never seen one where you have a driver being the father who had been drinking, caused the collision, and then you have the potential for what we're dealing with now.
The 3 were apparently visiting here from New England. Beltran and one of the boys from Connecticut, another teen from Rhode Island. Beltran has a history, according to the day newspaper, from New London, Connecticut. He was a former tribal council member, and in 2013, they say he was appointed chief of staff for the Mashantucket Pequot tribe. About what happened in Santa Monica last week, the tribe's communications director told the newspaper, "Although we regret learning of the tragic accident in Southern California last week involving 3 of our family members, we are grateful they are alive." The paper says Beltran has something else in his past, quoting here, "In 2000, Beltran, they say, was charged with speeding and allegedly drunk driving in Norwich, Connecticut. The previous year, he was arrested on multiple motor vehicle charges following his alleged involvement in 2 hit-and-run accidents. His criminal record includes a felony conviction for the 1980 stabbing of a youth in Southern California. He served a 4-year prison term for that." And now Antonio Beltran faces charges of driving under the influence and child endangerment. He's being held on $400,000 bail. We're live in West LA. Hal Eisner, Fox 11 News.